Hello everybody and welcome to this video. This side Sayed, and in this video we are going to look at the Google Merchant Center reinstatement and the reactivation process on how I got reactivated on this suspended merchant account. So to simplify things for you, we first have our reactivation email from Google saying that our account review has been completed and the issue no longer appears in our Google Merchant Center with our Google Merchant Center ID over here. So this one is the Australian Google Merchant Center account. You can see that this is the original mail from Google. So now let me explain step by step that how I actually got it reinstated within 2 days of manual review escalation. So first up, we have this website over here. This is a client website with the business logo, and we see that this one has the Shopify store, and we have as a CMS we are using Shopify. And so what we have done to get reactivated by Google is the address was not updated on the website. So what we've done is we have matched the address in the Google Merchant Center and on the website footer right at this place here. Social icons were not working, so we fixed those social icons and inserted the links and opened them in a new tab. They were opening at this page right here. We actually changed them to open in a new tab, posted the content on Instagram, other social profiles, and for Facebook we've done the same. And then what we have done is actually we have updated our return and refund policies. Like if we are going to request for the review, we have to update our return refund policy and rename them. And we also created the page that is terms of services, shipping policies, and the contact information. We matched all the details, and we have simply copied the address and pasted in the contact area, also entering in the company details just like that, the company number, the support email, as well as the clickable elements. Like the support email is clickable. If someone clicks, they are going to get the email open option and they can directly send us an email. So, and what else we have done is completed all those pages. We removed the placeholder text, we removed the empty spaces, just like here. If we click on search, there are some kind of placeholders saying like search or anything like that. We removed those placeholders, but we left these placeholders just because they are super important so that the user can know where to actually submit their details. So after removing them, we have created the table for the shipping destination, the cutoff time, and the transit time, and the handling time. So we directly imported this table to our Google Merchant account by copy pasting the information from Shopify to our Google Merchant simply. And we corrected all these details. We added the shipping charges, clearly mentioning the shipping details and the shipping charges. If you are offering the free shipping, you can go with like a check mark option in the Google Merchant Center. You can check mark like you offer free shipping, but if you are not offering it, you just need to specify with a headline just like this. And that's it. After making these changes, we checked for the duplicate content on product pages, just like that, by going to each product one by one. And we removed all those duplicated title repeating words, and then we simply applied for the manual review by contacting our support team. So that's it for today. I hope you now have the idea on how to change and submit your website for Google Merchant Center misrepresentation review. I will see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.